Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Lucas and today I have something that is quite exciting to me. Pascal has sent me over a little package. If you guys aren't familiar with Pascal, they are a jewelry company that tends to mix classic, timeless designs with their lab-grown diamonds. They do everything from watches, bracelets, rings, earrings, necklaces, etc. And they have sent me over a little watch to share with you guys. And I'm going to style it, put together some outfits as well. So as you can see, it comes with a nice little box and there is the watch. It's a beautiful, small, nice little watch with the blue wrist strap. Very classic, very timeless piece. Very excited to have this one. And if you guys are interested in grabbing anything off their website, I do have a discount code that I'll put down in the description. So you can grab this watch if you'd like or have a look at any of the other jewelry pieces. Something else that I found out that is quite cool to me, I think it's quite cool, is Pascal actually designed the championship rings for Bayer Leverkusen when they won the Bundesliga this past season. So that's very cool. So there's the watch. I'll show you guys on my wrist and then I'll style some outfits with it. So there's the watch on my wrist. As you can see, it's a bit of a smaller watch face, which I think looks better on my wrist. I have quite small wrists, but very nice details in the face. Beautiful blue wrist strap as well. Pascal detailing there. So it's a beautiful watch. I don't really wear watches that much, but I do quite like this one and I'm excited to wear it out. So for the first outfit, I'm gonna wear these white Eckhouse Lotta jeans on the bottom. And I'm gonna pair that with this navy, almost black, but navy fisherman knit sweater. And then on feet, I'm gonna go with the Supreme Clark's Wallabies. Clark's Wallabies, one of my favorite ever pairs of shoes. I think they're gonna be huge this fall winter. So this will be on feet with the first outfit. So here is the first outfit. In my opinion, this watch is a bit more on the classy side, if that makes sense. So I kind of wanted to reflect that in the outfits, elevate it a bit more than I normally would. And just a classic outfit. I think the blue of the watch strap goes nicely with the navy of the knit sweater. So this is, in my opinion, again, it's not too crazy. Something that I normally would wear. It's a bit more elevated, a bit more classy, if that makes any sense. But outfit number one, this is it. And for the second outfit, I'm going to, on the bottom, we're gonna have the Porter James Sports Dart knee pleated trousers that I got recently. Love these pants, they are incredible. And going with those pants is gonna be the Eddie Bauer Jound down jacket, seeing as the weather is getting quite cold now, so time to bust out the down jacket. And then the shoes for this outfit, keeping it a bit more chill, a bit more casual, it's gonna be the Sean Wotherspoon Adidas Gazelles. Add a nice little pop of green. And in my opinion, I think it complements the blue of the watch quite nicely, so that will be on feet for that. So here's the second outfit. Again, a bit more elevated, I think, with the trousers, but still keeping it quite chill and casual, thanks to the shoes and the beige and the blue strap, I think, complement each other well. So this outfit I do quite enjoy. And if I wanted to even spice it up a little bit more, I could always go for a different pair of shoes, like a loafers, or even the Clarks probably would work with this, but I wanted to keep it a little bit more casual with the Adidas shoes. So here's the second outfit. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say. It's just quite simple. So that is my new watch, my outfits I would wear it with. I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, there's a discount code down in the description along with the link to the watch and to the rest of their products. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll catch you guys next time.